The Heybly Cat Tree HCT200SM is thoughtfully designed to cater to a cat's natural climbing instincts, featuring 2 jumping platforms that enhance both activity and accessibility for cats of all ages. This cat tree stands out for its robust construction, utilizing sturdy iron pipes and anti-tipping straps to ensure stability, a significant improvement over conventional models. The plush top perches, sized generously, provide a luxurious and comfortable vantage point for cats to relax and observe their surroundings. Cats of all sizes will appreciate the spacious resting areas, including an enlarged cat condo and a cozy hammock, which offer both privacy and comfort for naps or playtime. Assembly of the Heybly Cat Tree is straightforward, thanks to clear instructions and a complete toolkit, making it a hassle-free addition to your home. The combination of thoughtful design, stability, and comfort makes the Heybly Cat Tree HCT200SM a fantastic investment for any cat owner looking to enrich their pet's indoor environment.